How to install and configure Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services, ADLDS. Topic to be covered in this video. Install Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. Install and configure ADLDS Replica. Check Unique Instance and Replica Instance Replication. ADSI Edit, create user through ADSI Edit. How to install and configure Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services, ADLDS. Go to Server Manager. Click Add Roles and Feature. Click Next. Select Role-Based and Feature-Based Installation, then click Next. Click Next. Click Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. Click on Add Feature. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click on Yes. Click Install. Click on Run the Active Directory Lightweight Directory Service Setup Wizard. Click Next on Welcome Message. Select a unique instance. Click Next. Fill instance name. Click Next. By default, LDAP port is set to 389 and SSL port is set to 636. If you running multiple instances, these can be changed accordingly. Click Next. Choose Yes. Create an application directory partition. Fill partition name. Click Next. If you want to change data or recovery files path, so click Browse. If else, leave as default. In my case, I am choosing D drive. Click Next. Select Network Service Account. Click Next. ADLDS Administrators Wizard. Leave as default. Importing LDIF files. I am choosing all LDF. Click Next. Click Next. My Active Directory Lightweight Directory Service configure successfully. Click on Finish. How to install and configure Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services, ADLDS Replica. Go to Server Manager. Click Add Roles and Feature. Click Next. Select role-based and feature-based installation, then click Next. Click Next. Click Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. Click on Add Feature. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Install. Click on Run the Active Directory Lightweight Directory Service Setup Wizard. Click Next on Welcome Message. Choose a replica of an existing instance. Click Next. Fill main instance name. Click Next. Fill main instance LDAP or SSL port number. Click Next. Click Browse. Search Primary Instance Server. Fill primary instance LDAP port number. Click Next. Click Next. Currently logged server. Select partition. Click Next. Leave as default, then click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Currently logged server. Read summary, then click Next. Click on Finish. My replica instance is created successfully. How to check connectivity, replication, between primary and replica instance. Go to Server Manager. Click Tools. Click Active Directory Site and Services. Right-click on Active Directory Site and Services and select Change Domain Controller. Fill computer name and server name : LDAP port number. Click on OK. Click on Yes. Expand sites. Expand default first site name. Expand both server. My primary and replica instance connected successfully. How to create user using ADSI Edit. Go to Server Manager. Click Tools. Click ADSI Edit. Right-click on ADSI Edit and select Connect to. Click on OK. Expand default naming context. Click CN User. Right-click on CN User and select Object. Find users. Click Next. Enter common name. Click Next. Enter SAM account name. Click Next. If you want to set more attribute of user, then click More Attributes. Close ADSI Edit console and go to Server. Refresh the Active Directory user and computer. See Bob user. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.